For anybody who wants to start a profitable online business but doesn't know where to begin, here's how I started an online business that earns high-ticket commissions with no prior knowledge or experience. So let me ask you, what if in just 15 days you could copy the business of an online marketing millionaire who's been featured in Forbes and endorsed by some of the biggest names in entrepreneurship and finally turn your business breakdowns into massive breakthrough? Hey, what's going on? My name's Dave Sharpe, and I'm an ordinary guy who's discovered an extraordinary formula to make money online. It's called freelance digital marketing, and it's the only thing I've found in my 10 years of making money online that works extra well for ordinary people. You don't need any major tech skills, huge startup cost, or marketing experience to get going. This is totally different than anything you've seen or tried online, and there's no pitch anywhere inside of any of my pages or funnels for the newest business opportunity, get-rich-quick scheme, or MLM. Yay. There's so many gurus and dumb screaming about the latest fad gimmicks, but let me save you a bunch of wasted time. Shopify, Amazon, MLM, Bitcoin Ponzi schemes, agency this, consultant that, shut up. Most of those all revolve around selling worthless products for teensy-weensy little commissions, or they require serious skill to be successful with. Yet there's one business model that stood the test of time year after year that's helped more newbies make more money than anything else. Ready for the formula? Brace yourself. Marketing valuable, high-ticket products and services that actually help people. If you want to learn just how to do this, regardless of your knowledge or experience, click the link inside of this post and meet me over on my website.